Hi guys, so I was kind of, thinking about what to do today. I was a little bit deflated yesterday. I brought out my We Are Memory Keepers, I guess, slice machine, and that poor thing, it is not going to work anymore. It is just not working. So I feel kind of deflated because I wasn't able to get it to work. I even opened it, okay, because I saw a really old video. I guess this is something that happens often with the slice, where it just doesn't cut anymore. So anyway, so I just kind of lost my mojo after that. But I do have the large block alpha dies from Diamond Press that I picked up recently on HSN. I did buy these myself, and I thought, well, let's do something like that because they're big. They're really big letters. So I was kind of curious about them to try them out and see what we can do. So what I think I'm going to do is do like a little layered background, just do like a monogram card with one of the letters. And then, you know, in my destashing, I found some cute little flowers. So I thought, well, you can throw some of those on there and see what happens, right? So, so I did grab a few things that I think I'm going to use, but we'll see what happens. So, sorry, I was just putting lotion on. So I have the set here. Obviously, all 26 letters. Let me open this up. Oh, they're packaged within the package too. So, again, they always come with a folder, but there are 2 folders, which is really nice in the set. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Obviously goes through the alphabet here. I just want to see if there was anything else. Okay, through Z. So I think I'm going to do the M because Miranda, why not? So we'll cut that out in just a second. I'm going to use this basic gray paper. And what's cute about this Serendipity stack is that it has pretty colors. Like, I think I'm going to use this one. But to matte on top of that, it has other like deeper colors like this red. I think would be really fun. I think I've used it before, so that's why it's kind of low on red. But I will grab this. So let me grab my marquee. I'm going to trim this paper down just a little bit so it'll fit there. And then for the M, for the letter, I think I'm going to use this black Centura Pearl. I know that's kind of crazy, but it's a glitter card. I was looking for the shimmery pearl one, but I couldn't find it, so I just grabbed this. Actually, I spent 2 seconds looking for it, and this is the one I found, so I was like, yeah, we'll go with that. So I'm just going to cut a piece off of this. So I'm going to cut a piece off of this and trim this down a little bit, and we'll start cutting. Okay. So with this, I just kind of eyeball. I put my paper over and just kind of cut it. So I'm going to take, I guess, the largest scalloped oval. So this is from the nesting die set. I don't know if they're sold out right now on HSN. I feel like they did sell out, but it's going to be the largest one. Hopefully I didn't cut this too small. I cut it just a bit too small. That's what happens when you eyeball. Where's my paper pad? Alright. Not to worry, I have another one. I thought to myself, I saw how wide it was and I was going to cut it, and I thought it probably doesn't need to be that wide, so I moved it over. Yeah, no, it does need to be that wide. Again, you can just tear it, like, along here. You know what I'm saying? Just hold on to it, so I'll just show you that real quick. Alright. And now it fits perfectly. Alright, so we're good to go. So I'm going to cut this guy out. This is the same cutting folder I've been using, just because people are always curious about how long the cutting folders last or what happens. And I mean, it's warped a bit, but it will cut just fine. You know, I should just put it the right way. So I'm hearing a lot of great things about your marquee. You guys are enjoying it. So there's the larger one, and then I'm going to cut the next size down on the red paper. That one should fit because it's smaller. Yeah, what a bummer. And I was like, is that why I stopped using my slice? I don't know. I don't remember. And now it's just not working. It's just not doing anything, which is such a bummer because I have tons of cartridges for it. So I'm thinking about selling them, but I'm like, on my store, I'm like, I guess that means you would have to have a slice that you use, or that at least that you'd want more cartridges for. So I don't know if it'll even move. So I'm just kind of thinking about what I'm going to do with that. There's that. And then we're going to cut out our letter M on our darker cardstock, on our black cardstock. Hopefully I didn't cut this too small. All those. And the dies I just used were given to me from Diamond Press. I did not purchase those. They were sent for my review. free of charge. All right, and then I'll do my M. Oopsie. Nope, there we go. Yay! All right. I brought in a paper pad that I had outside that I used to do with close to my heart, and it's under here, and that's why this thing is moving around so much, because this paper pad isn't grounded, so I think I'll have to move it. I just thought, well, it'd be good, so when I do like blending, I can blend right on the paper pad and then throw the paper away. But I don't like the way it's feeling under my work surface right now, so I'll have to change that out. There we go. Some nice thick glitter cardstock. And there's that. Sorry, I dropped a bunch of stuff. So my idea was to layer this up. I do need a card base. And then I'm going to put this on here and then just doll it up with some flowers and things. I do have my these little guys that I kind of like to throw in there here and there just for fillers, because they have like little leaves and stuff. I don't know if we'll put those in. But let me get a card base and we will put this together. Okay, so I have a black card base here. It's just your standard A2 size card. Fold it in half. Oh, my paper's a little bit crooked up there on top. Something happened to it. All right, so we're gonna stick these down and go from there. Oh, I found all my Xyrons. I'll tell you, I've just been doing a lot of cleaning up. I'm trying to clean up my garage too, because I have a lot of things out there that have to do with crafting, and I wanted to be able to access them easier, just like in here. So I got everything off my floor that I wanted and did things like that. So the garage, same kind of deal. I'm like, I can't get to this or that. So, you know, you want to, right? You want to get to your stuff. I'm going to go ahead and put this up a little bit just to give it some dimension. So I have this foam tape. And to be honest, this one's a little bit thin, like it's not high enough, but I think it'll be good for this project. So I'm just going to lay some of this down and cut the back off of it, or take the back off, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got that off of there. This is interesting because it made my paper kind of want to buckle in. I guess 'cause it's so tight and long. Kind of interesting. Okay, so it's just a little bit of dimension. It's hard to see right now. And then I'm going to put my letter down, but I want to see what I want to do with these little guys. So Miranda took my card that I made the other day, the little frog one from using the stamps and dies from local King rubber stamp company. She saw it and she's like, oh, is this for me? I'm going to take it to my room. Okay, she took it to her room. So I'm going to choose some different flowers. Oh, red and green, that's cute. Maybe some little white one. This one's off-white. That's good. So I'm going to pull some of these out and I'll be right back. I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet, but I am going to stick my letter down with some Collall, the 3D glue gel, and really got to squeeze it because it's towards the end of its life here. But I want to put quite a bit because I do want this to stand up, and I want to be able to tuck the flowers in behind there, but obviously not so much that it's going to be showing. So let me really get a good glop of glue right in here too. So I'm still going to mess with this. I just want to see where or what I'm trying to do here. Woo. Okay, so I'm not squishing it down at all, really. I'm just putting it there because I need to see about it being even, or, you know, up and down. And then I'm going to tuck some flowers in there. So I'm just kind of letting it sit, letting it be cool for now. Don't mess with it too much. I am going to trim down these little flowers. And, of course, I have this old wire cutter. You don't have to cut them, I guess. Okay, let's not do that. You can just get your little wires. And actually, if you want to trim them off and then save them for whenever you do your flower forming, this would be really great for that. But if you were going to do that, you need a wire cutter. I would not use regular scissors, but, you know, it's up to you if you want to use like your Tim Holtz's. But there you go. I am going to cut them off. But if you didn't want to, you can just kind of tuck them back up and under each other just until it's tucked away, so it's a shorter stem, right? So it's like a smaller piece to use. I think that would be good. See, that one didn't cut as easily. Oh, I even cut the whole thing off. I push that back in here. I gotta do a little work on that. I'm gonna cut this off and then I'm gonna push it back into its little flower head because I pulled it out. I was able to recover that little head. And then this guy, I want just pieces of this, but I know if I take this apart, it's gonna be doubled over in the center on itself. That's pretty much what these are. They're just flower middle pieces that someone put together in this. See how they're kind of coming apart. But let me go ahead and cut that. I just want a smaller amount of these. But I still want the greenery, so I'm gonna have to think about this one. I might have to go in there like this. Okay. I'm gonna have to add some extra glue, and I know that. I'm just trying to position it right now and see what I want to do. Oh. Oh my goodness, so cute. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is start adding some glue underneath here and there, and I'll be right back. I know it's just gonna be messy. I'm just gonna put glue wherever I think I need it to hold this stuff down, and we'll be done. Okay, I just kind of poured some of this glue in there just to make sure those bits were getting held down. Then I took another couple little bits and I just kind of tucked them up in here. So that is it. I think that's really pretty, really simple, really easy, a lot of dimension. Again, I didn't squeeze it down, but if you want to squish it down more now that you know kind of where you put your flowers. I just wasn't sure if I was going to put more flowers like on the side here. I mean, obviously you can tuck some in, really deck it out, but I think this is really cute and simple and pretty. So thanks for watching. Nice size dies. Obviously they cut really well. We already know Diamond Press makes great dies, so that's never a problem. Marquee using the same folder I've been using and working great. So thanks for watching, guys. If there is a link for this on HSN, if it's still available, I will link it for you guys. But like I said, this is something I had just picked up, but I don't remember if I saw that it was sold out or not. Either way, there is another craft day coming up May 5th. I know, you guys are always commenting they don't do anything with shipping now, so, it doesn't matter to wait until May 5th or just go ahead and pick it up now if it's something you're interested in. I've been using the coupons as they come in here and there on any random day since there really isn't anything special going on with shipping on those days. But thanks for watching, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.